Yo guys, best MLB picks for Wednesday. Pick up muna tayo. So yun nga, Red Sox versus Yankees postponed due to bad weather. Ibang sportsbook returned na yan pero alam ko sa 747 at Twinzer. Tuloy pa din yan kapag nirasked within 24 hours. So good luck na lang if nakataya pa din kayo dyan. Mariners naman upset sobra. Hindi na ako magko-comment dyan. Vincent Reyes naman, nerfis natin. One of his worst first inning pitching. Na tayo magagawa. Bilog din bola sa baseball. So, babounce back tayo ngayon. So, first pick natin ngayong is Cardinals versus Baltimore. Cardinals starting pitcher Adam Wainwright, 3.11 record this season, 8.19. Malala yun ah. Baltimore naman, John Means, first game niya ngayon season. Last, last pitching naman niya is decent naman. So, kaysa kay Wainwright, na 3.11, 8.19 ERA. So, baka, lim- baka limit lang din yung pag-pitch ni John Means ngayon. So, Wainwright, 0.5 sa starting pitcher niya. Baltimore, 11-5 last game. And then mainit yung mga hitters, batters ng Baltimore ngayon. So, last four, last, last four games, last five games ng Baltimore, 4-1. So, Baltimore's mananalo dito. And sa tingin ko mga cover na lang yung spread. So, best pick and best bet natin dito sa laban na to is Baltimore minus 1.5 run line with 2.1 odds sa record this. So, punta agad tayong second pick natin is laban ng Cubs versus Rockies. Cubs starting pitcher Javier Assad, 3-3 record with 2.83 ERA. While sa Rockies naman is si Chris Flexen, 1-7 record this season, 7.36 ERA. So same lang din sila ni Wainwright na worst starting pitcher this season. Cubs 2-3 last 5 games. Rockies naman low streak 0-5 last 5 games. Cubs mainit yung mga batters ngayon. Flexen last 5 games nagbigay ng ilang run. Halos same talaga sila ni Wainwright na worst. And sa tingin ko mananalo yung Cubs dito and kaya nilang makover yung run line. So, best bet natin dito. Best pick and best bet. Chicago Cubs. Run line minus 1.5. 1 unit ah. Same din dun sa Baltimore Cardinals. Lahat ng pinopost ko dito is 1 unit each bet. So, Cubs run line 1.5, 1 unit with 1.81 odds as I record this. Punta agad tayo ng third pick natin. So, third pick, Padres and Dodgers. Padres starting pitcher, Michael Waka. 11-3 this season with 2.99 ERA. Dodgers starting pitcher, Lance Lynn with 10-11 this season with 6.9 ERA. Last 3 games ni Michael Waka, 2-1 sa over. And kailangan slim naman. Last 3 games niya is 3-0 sa over. Last 5 games head-to-head ng Padres versus Dodgers, 5-0 rin sa over. Last 4 games ng both teams, sa ibang teams, 4-0 din sa over. So, gets nyo na. Yan. Parehas din mainit yung mga batters nila. Lalo na sa Dodgers. Sila Mookie, Freeman. Sa Padres naman, sila Tatis, Juan Soto. So, best bet natin sa third pick and best bet natin, Padres Dodgers, total runs over 9, 1 unit, 1.88 odds as I record this. So, recap ng full card natin. First pick natin, Baltimore run line, 1.5, 1 unit. Second pick naman, Chicago Cubs, run line, minus 1.5, 1 unit din. Padres versus Dodgers, total runs over 9, 1 unit din. So, yun lang. Sana masweep natin to. Matakpan yung kahapon. Yun lang. So, please like, comment, and subscribe.